So hello everyone and DX once again. So guys, welcome back. So today I will show you how you can add the OTC markets on your platform, any platform, the MT4 brokers. So let's see. We need a two application, the expert advisor and a bridge application between the MT4 and the Quotex broker. So first of all, you have open your broker, any broker, and you have to paste. There is a file. You have to paste the file here, dxea, which I will provide it to you. Dxea you can paste on a expert folder. So here is the expert folder. Inside the mql4 there is the expert folder, and paste that file, the dxea otc, on the expert folder. After that, you have to open the currency. Suppose we have opened the currency, there is a gbp usd, and now you can just uh, paste it on the expert advisor, paste it on. Okay, so here is showing the waiting for dx official otc trading application. So you have to just minimize it and open the bridge application. So still it's on demonstration, guys. You have to log in with your id. Okay, so after login, you will find out that interface where is showing the connecting to Quotex broker. After connecting, you can open any currency from here. Suppose we have opened the currency, the gold OTC. There is so many currency you can open which are available on the Quotex broker. Even the stock and commodity, even the currencies OTC and a real. So all thing is available here. You can choose by your choice, and we have opened, suppose there we have opened the currency, the gold OTC. We have opened the gold OTC, and there we have select a 500. It's depend on your, you can choose as you want. So suppose I have chosen there is a 1 minute time frame. So I have chosen there is a 1 minute time frame, and just click on a load, and there is showing the AUD CAD. Okay, wait a second, guys. First of all, we have opened the gold OTC, then 500, and there is a select 1 minute, then load. Okay, so it's showing the gold OTC 1 minute commodity loading. So just wait for some time. It's showing a loading here. Okay. Okay, now it's showing the active. So guys, it's active now. The gold OTC 1 minute commodity we have active now. And the other currency, suppose we have taken the stock currencies here, and the stock currencies is we have the McDonald OTC, the Nasdaq, the Microsoft. Suppose we have opened the Microsoft OTC here, 1 minute select and just load. Okay, Microsoft OTC, Gold OTC, and we have opened all the currencies 111. You have opened the many currency, no issue. Just there is a, I will show you the video how you can add the currencies in your MT4 broker. Suppose we have opened the currencies. Now there is a USD, MXN, OTC, and a 1 minute select and load. Okay, so there is a three currencies I have. You can taking any currencies which you want. There is a 20 currency, 30 currencies, even all the currencies you can add on your MT4 broker. It's your choice, guys. So there is three currency we have add, and now we have opened the commodity. So commodity we have opened the gold stock, and the currency also we have opened. Now we have opened the OTC of a 5 second USD JPY, and now we have opened the 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 13 second chart. So first of all, we will check on the 5 second. Okay, 5 second we will check USD JPY OTC 5 second currency. So there is a active. Okay, all the status showing the active. Now you can open your broker. Okay, so now you can open the broker, and now you can click on the restart button. Here is the restart button. So you have to click on the restart. Okay, and after restarting, it's showing. Click on the open chart. After restarting, just make some time of a 5 second, then click on the open chart. Okay, just 5 second wait. After clicking on the restart, after 5 second, you can click on the open chart. Okay, so it automatically open, and it take time first on an installation. So don't worry, guys. On an installation, it takes some time. It automatically open, and no need to do anything else. Just wait for some time. There is a 2027, and now you have seen there is the automatically open the chart, and now we have opened the currency. Suppose we have opened the 5-second currencies here. Okay, we have opened the 5-second chart, the USD JPY. First of all, we have opened the currency, the USD JPY. Okay, let's see. There is a timer is stop now. Just wait for some time for timing load. Okay, on a first installation it take time, so don't worry. You can open the currencies as your choice. So USD JPY we have, and the other currencies we have the USD Microsoft. Let me see where is a Microsoft. Okay, there is the Microsoft, I think MSFP OTC. There is a Microsoft, and we have the other currencies as USD MXN. Okay, suppose we have USD MXN, and the other currencies we have USD JPY and gold OTC, the XAU USD of 1 minute. There is a 1 minute. Okay, there is a 5 seconds, so avoid use a 1 minute. There is a M1, use a 1 minute, and click on the open. Okay, so now clicking on the open, and we have opened the other currencies as we have the other currencies USD JPY 5 second. Click on open, and the other currencies we have USD MXN and Microsoft OTC. So open the currency USD MXN 1 minute USD MXN, and the other currency we have Microsoft OTC. There is the Microsoft OTC. Let's see where is Microsoft OTC is, I think this one is the Microsoft OTC. Okay, now we have opened the Microsoft OTC here. Okay, so that is open the currencies we have. There is a 4 currencies loaded we on our application, and there is a 4 currencies 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so now we have select any template. Suppose I am taking the template here, that the template, and suppose we have taken the template. There's a 5 second, guys. Okay, and USD MXN. The template I have chosen there, so just wait for some photos. Okay, now you have seen the charts are moving. It takes some time to loading on the first installation, so don't worry about that. And now the charts are moving now, and it's non-laggy, guys. First of all, the main thing is chart is not lagged, guys. The important thing is not lagged. So there is a Microsoft chart, and the chart is moving as you see. Suppose the candle timer, we have add the candle timer here. Candle timer not moving on the. Suppose we have open the Mega DX on that. So Mega DX is you seen the candle are not lagged, guys, and working the 14 15 16 the every second working, guys, every second. So there is a every second working USD MXN. Okay, as you see the every seconds are working here, and Mega DX also work a perfect in that even is showing the use that currency. So use that, open the chart, and as you know the power of the Mega DX 4.2 and 4.2 battery, and it's giving a good accuracy of Mega DX 4.2 guys. So there is overall signal where you have the 8x9 short in the OTC market of a USD MXN and USD JPY. There is also the 5 second chart here in a USD JPY. So it's a 5 second chart. USD MXN we got the signal, the right signal, but we are not here for giving to show you the Mega DX 4.2.3 accuracy here. So let's see XAU USD. There you have to select the MT4 and choose XAU USD also. We got 11 by 13 short, but he's showing the high risk avoid trade, so you have to avoid the conditions of market. So just a simple steps you have to follow. And if you want to add more currencies there, you have to just do a simple step. There we have opened the currency, and suppose we have adding the currencies. Okay, US crude here. So suppose we have adding the currency, the US crude. What is it? Just loading here, and just loading, and after active you can open the currency, the US crude, guys. Open the currency, US crude. It take time to load, so just wait. We had the US crude. There is a US crude. You have to open the US crude OTC market. All currencies, even the all things are available in there, guys. So don't worry, it can work easily with your profitable signal. So there is a US crude. We have the M1, US crude commodity. Okay. So we have opened the US commodity. Just wait, it's taking a time on loading. I think it's moving now. So as you've seen, you can just follow some steps and just making a OTC free of cost, guys. No need to buy from any other sources or any other things. And the simple free options we are providing now for OTC brokers, even the all currencies, even the non-laggy, even the all time frame, all thing, guys. And follow the Megadia 4.2.3, giving the good accuracy with the OTC market also. And there is showing the 8 by 10 sure shot in the US crude oil, and the other currencies we have Microsoft giving the don't use that currency. So it's showing the don't use that currency. So avoid that currency, guys. Simple. You have to avoid that currency. It's showing the don't use that currency. USDXM MXN, there is a 8 by 9 USDJPY. Don't use that currency, showing there is a 5-second chart, and the 5-second chart I can't tell you, you can use a 5-second chart. I'm just showing you how you can add the currencies here. So there is a USXAU gold OTC, there is a USD MXN, there is a US crude. All things are working, and how it's working I will show you the live proof. So guys, what you are waiting for, the video is too much important. For all steps are necessary, how you can add and how you can get a profit with our signal software also. And there is some signals we have and giving the good accuracy. Suppose we have opened the other currencies. There we have opened the currencies. Suppose we have opened the currency EURZPY OTC market. Okay, so OTC, there is a 1 minute and we have loading. Okay, so after loading it takes some time. EURZPY OTC is showing the loading. So after active you can open the offline chart. So now it's showing the active, and now go to open offline chart, and here we got the EURZPY OTC. If you will not get there, what you can do, simple steps. You have to open restart, click on the restart, just wait, there is a loading on the chart, it's automatically, and now open the chart here, and now we have seen EURZPY OTC. It's automatically done, guys, don't need to do anything, it's automatically done. So there is a EURZPY OTC, click on the open, and now go to select the OTC here, and you can also select the Megadeals here. It's automatically, guys, so don't need to do anything. Here is also showing the use that currency, you can follow the currencies XAU, USD, USDMX, and USD. So that's the simple step. The video is so long now, guys, and so that's the simple steps to follow, and you can use the OTC currency, even the stock currency, the commodity currency, all things you have to get the free. So just wait for some time, I will publish a free for you, guys. So just wait for 1 and 2 days, and soon these powerful OTC signal software for Quotex broker soon for you, guys. Love you all, stay with us, and thank you for support us.